Europlacer proudly presents the ii-A4 high-speed placement system. With a feeder capacity of up 264 8mm devices utilizing Europlacer fully intelligent feeders, the ii-A4 can achieve a placement rate in excess of 100,000 cph. On-the-fly cameras capture an image of all the devices in a single shot. Europlacer's trademarked pulsar heads have been designed using state-of-the-art materials, resulting in an extremely lightweight while rigid unit. A unique patented conveyor system eliminates mechanical stops by utilizing sensors along the length of the PCB, resulting in the board being positioned precisely in the right place for optimal efficiency and highest placement speed, maximizing the machine's huge potential. A variety of options are available on the system, including the ability to assemble PCBs larger than 2 meters in length, perfect for high-volume LED assembly. With the highest feeder capacity on the global market and with speed exceeding 100,000 cph, the fully intelligent and flexible Europlacer ii-A4 could be your best choice for high-volume assembly.